we are going to make my favorite recipe in my videos, which is mini pizza. So friends, you can also try out this recipe. Even everybody can try out this recipe. It tastes so yummy. So mainly there are three parts to make a mini pizza. The first part is to make yeast solution. The second part is to make pizza's dough. And the third, pizza's crust and the top. So friends, the ingredients to make a yeast solution is 1 cup of light warm water, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. So let's mix all these ingredients. And we should mix. Now we should make it rest for 10 minutes. So friends, now as you can see, the yeast is nicely dissolved and activated. So now we have reached to the next part, which is to make pizza's dough. So first let's add a cup of maida, and the yeast. Now let's mix it well. So friends, before making the pizza's dough, you should nicely wash your hands. Then you should make the pizza's dough. Friends, my pizza dough is almost ready. So now let's keep it airtight to keep it rest for an hour. So now as you can see, my dough is already ready and an hour has finished. So now we have reached to the last part, which is pizza's crust and the toppings. So we should take a little bit of the dough, put it round and put it on the rolling board. Now we'll dip it in the flour. So now we have dipped it in the flour. Now let's put on the rolling board. And we should slightly roll the dough. Now we'll prepare all the crusts of our mini pizzas like this. The pizza's crusts are ready. So now it's ready for the toppings. To make pizza's toppings, we need beef pepperoni, black olives, oregano, rosemary, onion, chili flakes if you want, tomato paste and mozzarella cheese. So first let's take 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and put it on each pizza and spread it. Now I have spread evenly tomato paste. So now let's put oregano, rosemary and chili. Put rosemary. Now let's put chili flakes. Let's put mozzarella cheese. So friends, now I put the mozzarella cheese. Now let's put the black olive. Let's put onion. Now let's spread little more cheese. If you want little bit more cheesy than this, you can put little bit more cheese. Now let's put beef pepperoni. now we have finished the toppings also. Now we should put in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at a temperature of 150 degrees Celsius. Friends, my mini pizzas are ready. So if you have capsicum in your home, you can also put capsicum. There are no capsicums in my home right now. And nice smell is coming. I think it's yummy. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for seeing Ishan's